Control cat litter box odor. Cat litter boxes are a major source of unwanted odor because your cat uses the box for urinating or defecating. Odor from a cat's litter box is very hard to control, especially if you have more than one cat sharing a cat litter box. Proper maintenance of a cat litter box is essential to controlling the odor coming from a cat litter box. The tips below might be of great help when it comes to controlling odor from a cat litter box. Choose the right litter box. There are plenty of litter boxes for sale to serve as your cat's litter box. Choose a sufficiently wide and deep cat litter box to encourage your cat to use the litter box. Litter boxes that are too small for your cat might discourage him or her from using it, while big boxes might be inaccessible depending on the size of your cat. Choose the right size and dimensions for your cat's litter box to ensure that your cat uses the litter box instead of your carpet or floor to urinate or defecate. Litter boxes for cats sometimes have covers that can help control the litter box odor, but do not depend on the litter box's cover to control the foul scent that comes from your cat's urine and feces. Pick a good place for the litter box. Your cat's litter box should be in a well-ventilated room to keep the litter box odor from building up and wafting into different areas of the house. The laundry room is a highly recommended place if your laundry room will not keep the litter box smell confined inside the room. The backyard is also a good place to place your cat's litter box if your cat has easy access to the backyard at all times. Any other part of the house with sufficient air ventilation and privacy for your cat's comfort when using the litter box will be a good place for your cat's litter box. Choose the right type of litter. Clumping litter is a highly recommended type of litter for your cat's litter box. Clumping litter is also easy to clean since it forms your cat's excrement into easy-to-dispose balls. Scented litter is also a good choice for a cat's litter box since it neutralizes the odor from your cat's urine and feces. Make sure your cat is comfortable with the litter you choose for your cat's litter box, or your cat might not use his or her litter box at all. Clean the litter box regularly. You need to clean your cat's litter box regularly to ensure that the undesired smell does not build up in the litter box. Regular cleaning of your cat's litter box also ensures that your cat will use the litter box, since cats are clean animals and they will not use dirty, full litter boxes. Scoop clumped litter and other excrement from the cat's litter box regularly. Using the tips above might help you control the odor that can form from your cat's litter box. Make sure you clean the litter box regularly, use clumping litter or scented litter, and keep the litter box in a well-ventilated, private place to control your cat's litter box odor.